Alright, here's how to replace your flint. You should replace your flint with genuine Zippo flints. They're pretty damn cheap, so I don't see why not. But if you're in a pinch, a disposable lighter flint works too. Alright, so you got your dispenser, you take one out, and you got it ready. So the first thing to do on your Zippo would be to take it out of the case. Then you unscrew this screw, and I like to use the Zippo case as a screwdriver, and just loosen that up and take it out and drop that guy in there. Alright, and drop it back in the case, and you've just replaced your flint.